Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start right now, confirm the lock model and ensure batteries are above 20% or it's on mains so the change won't fail. Have the current admin PIN or the physical override key ready. You'll need to prove control. Locate the keypad and press the lock setup sequence, often mode or star plus pound to enter programming. Do this immediately so the lock stays active. Once in setup, you can proceed to change codes without triggering alarms or lockouts. Once in programming mode, input the current admin PIN and press OK or pound to authenticate. This proves you're authorized. Navigate to the Change Password option using the menu keys, then enter your new PIN, pick 4 to 6 digits that are memorable but not sequential. Confirm the new code when prompted, and make sure to press the Save key. Wait for the confirmation sound or green LED. This tells you the lock accepted the change and will now use the new code for entry. Finish by testing the new PIN at the keypad 3 times and also check the physical key and auto lock timing to ensure normal behavior. Make a secure record of the new code, and if others need access, update their user codes now rather than later. If the lock fails to respond or programming aborts, replace batteries with fresh ones and retry. Low voltage commonly blocks write operations. If problems persist, use the physical override key and consult the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.